Hey guys, good evening. So I'm on some of the Facebook forums about immigration, and one of the things that I saw, somebody had mentioned that they had gotten a RFE, request for evidence, and it's been, X amount of days and they still haven't gotten it updated. Just so you guys know, when you receive an RFE, there's dates. So if you get it on January 1st or January 3rd, and it says it's due March 15th. So what happens is you respond in the middle of February, but they will not touch that until that date. So if it was dated for March 15th, they won't touch it until at least March 16th in case you add more information. And sometimes they even add an additional 30 days to it just to be sure that everything has been received. So if you have an RFE that's been turned in, be patient. It will get worked on. Now, after March 15th, if it still hasn't gotten worked on, then go out to USCIS's website, click on Tools, and then click on Ask a Question. The application that had the request for evidence, the RFE, use that receipt number in the very top box, follow the prompts, and then should be at the end, there'll be a box that says it's a question box or a text box. Don't write in that text box RFE or RFE question, because you're just going to get it bounced right back at you with no information. Describe what happened. So I sent my RFE in, or I uploaded my RFE on this date. I still haven't heard anything. Following up to make sure that you've received it or what the next step is. Write something significant. You don't have to write, pages. A paragraph is all you need, and not even necessarily that much. Just enough to say, hey, I sent in my RFE. Here's my tracking number. You guys signed for it on this date. I still haven't seen any updates. Or I uploaded it to the system on this date, and I still haven't seen any updates. But like I said, if you just write RFE in the text box, or sent item, something along those lines, you're not going to get a response. You're going to get something that kicked back at you. We don't know what you want. We don't have any idea of what you're asking for, and you have to wait 30 days to try to respond to submit a new one. Anyway, I hope that helps. If you have any questions, please let us know. Have a good day. Thanks.